What if you could create viral cat content without filming a single second? AI is changing the game, and creators are earning thousands. Here's exactly how. Cat content rules YouTube. Ad age generation and automation. It's unstoppable. Faceless channels using art and animation are hitting millions of views because they're consistent, scalable, and endlessly creative. No camera, no actors, no licensing issues. Pure algorithmic gold. Midjourney creates stunning cat artwork in seconds. Runway ML animates static images. 11 Labs adds voiceovers. Combine these with trending audio and trending cat behaviors, and you've got viral content. Stack these tools efficiently, and production time drops to minutes per video. YouTube Partner Program pays per views. Affiliate links and descriptions earn extra revenue from pet products. Sponsorships from cat brands follow quickly. Consistency is key. Upload weekly. Optimize titles with @cat, funny cats, and cute cats, and watch monetization compound exponentially. Script a 60-second cat scenario, generate 10 AI images in Midjourney, animate with Runway ML, add trending audio from TikTok. Write a compelling title with keywords. Upload. Repeat weekly. Track analytics. This system scales infinitely and requires zero on-camera presence. Ready to build your A-cat empire? Subscribe for more A creation strategies like this video, and drop a comment what cat scenario should we create next.